road. There's always a shapey coming in there. You just leave the house, they're going to sit down with the lights on. You see? You see? You see? You see? You see? You see? She knows. Good girl. Oh, the shapey just turned the lights off. Whoa! Right, is this something won't be long? Probably won't be long. Oh, the shapey files. See, that actually wasn't them, it was this car here. But then those lights went on down there. No one in the cars, no one like going home, it's just ghost car, phantom car. Shapey, shonky show. It's on repeat. We're on repeats. Been stuck on repeats for a long time. Oops. Perfect shapey timing. There must be a vehicle with lights. When I get to the intersection, there you are, and I'll be getting to this intersection alone. Oh, look at this. Shapers! Shapey show! So, I don't know what it is, 9:45 on a Friday night, Friday evening. It's irrelevant because it's the same show. It's running 24/7. It's relevant if you think, oh, there wouldn't be that many cars on there, because I used to think, it's fair enough to think that until you get put in this sim, or this sim takes over your reality. Anyhow. Oops. Shapey timing. There must be a vehicle with lights. When I get to the intersection, there you are, and I'll be getting to this intersection alone. Oh, look at this. Shapey! Shapey show! So, I don't know what it is. 10 on a Friday night, Friday evening. It's irrelevant because it's the same show. It's running 24/7.